Hey traders! Want to learn about Forex secrets nobody's sharing? Get ready, because I'm going to show you 5 insights that could change how you trade. This video is for you if you're new or want to improve. Secret 1. Trading is not gambling. Let's clear up a misconception right away. Forex trading isn't gambling. Many newcomers approach the market like a casino hoping to hit the jackpot. But here's the reality. Top traders depend on strategy, self-control, and risk control. Always create a plan for each trade. Understand your entry, exit, and risk comfort before you click that button. Leave your hunches behind. We're here to trade, not. Secret 2. Risk small, earn big. Here's a secret that might shock you. The path to big profits is small risks. I know, it sounds weird, right? But believe me on this one. Most beginners risk too much thinking larger trades lead to larger profits. But here's what the pros do. They risk 1 to 2% of their account on each trade. They look for high probability setups with at least a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. This keeps their losses small and their profits steady. Keep in mind, in Forex, the tortoise beats the hare. Secret 3. News can break you. Okay, let's face facts. Those big news stories everyone's buzzing about. They can destroy your account if you're not ready. Big announcements like interest rate choices or jobless reports cause massive market shifts. If you're new to this, it's smart to sit out during these times. Believe me, I found this out the hard way. Do yourself a favor and dodge the worry and possible losses. You'll find plenty of other chances in the market. Secret 4. Demo accounts are priceless. I get it. You're raring to start live trading, but listen to this advice. Demo accounts are a goldmine for newcomers. They give you a chance to test your strategies and get the hang of your trading platform without putting any real money at risk. Approach your demo account as if it's the real thing. This helps you build self-control and self-assurance before you take the plunge. You'll be grateful to yourself down the line. Secret 5. Psychology is key. The biggest secret. Forex is 90% psychology. Fear, greed, and impatience ruin more trades than bad strategies. Keep your emotions in check and journal your trades to learn from your mistakes. A calm mind is a profitable mind. Here's the biggest secret of all. Forex is 90% mindset. Now you know the 5 secrets no one tells beginners. Trading isn't easy, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can succeed. Which of these secrets surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and share. In the next video, I'll share the 3 biggest mistakes I made that cost me hundreds of dollars in Forex. Don't miss it.